Hobie 360 PA 14 is ready to go into the water. Guess what time it is? It's time to get bent. Okay, this is a combination I'm gonna start with. I got a short truce, a short truce, and 1/16 ounce head, and that's that blue and green. And show off that, I'm gonna put some shad in on it, and I'm gonna put a crappie bite on it also. So here we go. I want to keep the kayak out of that shaded area, so I believe that's where I'm going to catch my next fish at. Most of these fish are in about 6 to 8 foot of water, and I'm only fishing about a 1.5 foot deep, and they're coming up and striking that jig around any kind of little bit of brush. They're hanging around there. The water temperature is about 68-70 degrees. Whenever we have a really warm day, it shoots up to about 72, 73, and then when it does, the fish really get active. If some of you guys are new to this type of fishing, fishing in brush piles from a boat or a kayak or something like that, then I mean, this is one trick that you need to learn is when you get hung up into it, to take your rod and push it down to your rod tip, push it down to the brush, to your jig, and then just push forward on it to get it to come loose. When you come to a spot where it's kind of open you're fishing around trees and stuff like that, don't just shoot right up into the opening. Work the outer edges of it and then work your way in. There's you can see a couple of stumps right out in front here, and so I'm working these stumps first, and then I'm gonna move in closer to the shallower water and in the shade, because the shade is actually structure as well. Going back and watching this video fishing, one mistake I see that was making. I was catching a lot of small fish. So one thing I didn't do, I didn't change the profile of my jig. I should have went with same color, but a bigger profile jig, so that I can try to catch bigger fish. Because the bigger fish are probably sitting in here with these small ones, and I'm just catching all the little ones, and they're attacking the jig pretty quick, and the big ones are just standing back watching. So the next time I'm fishing and I'm up to like 10 small fish or 5 small fish, somewhere along that line, then I'm gonna switch to a bigger jig. I just unanchored the power pole now. I'm gonna move up a little bit, and then I'm gonna drop anchor again. Just shows you how just trying to show you how easy it is to fish in some wind like this with that micro power pole and the combination with this 360. I mean, you really get a lot of control over your kayak and this wind. If I can tell you, if I didn't have that anchor and the 360, I would probably think about not fishing this area, and that's why there's no other kayaks over in this same location. One other thing I see, a lot of these fish that I'm catching are males. They're really small males, so and they're probably building nests right now. So what I'm hoping that the next time I go out, the females will be moving in and getting ready to lay their eggs, and we'll start seeing some bigger fish. You know, the females are definitely going to be bigger.
Tearing them up? No. Did you? How many you got? How many you got? 2? 5.
If you like my videos, please subscribe. And also, if you have friends who are trying to learn how to crappie fish, or maybe just trying to learn how to fish from a kayak or crappie, or looking at getting into the sport, let them know about my channel, and because I'm going to be trying to, everywhere I go, I'm going to video it, and I'm going to try to pass on all the information that I possibly can. And good luck this season on your crappie fishing. It's time to get out there. If you're in the warmer areas, I know some of the guys are in colder areas, but the sun is coming. Look at this tiny little fish trying to get me bent. Get out there and get bent, guys.